Hello and welcome on today's video. In this tutorial, you can learn how to set up a project in Revit. Let's get started. Open Revit. Click New to create new project. If you plan to use the same settings for multiple projects, you can create a project template. Templates can be created from scratch or based on default templates, which you can select from Template file dropdown. Then select Project Template and click OK. Before you start modeling, it's important to set up the project's coordinates and units. This ensures that all elements in the model are accurately positioned and scaled. You can access the Units dialog box by clicking on the Manage tab and selecting Project Units. Here you can set units for particular dimension type. Project Browser can be customized by adding project parameters, which allow you to create custom information that can be applied to any element in the project. Go to Manage tab, then open Project Parameters dialog box. To create new sorting parameters to customize your project browser, click Add. Set parameter type, then name the parameter. Select discipline and type of parameter. Then select categories on which these rules will be applied. Click OK. You can create multiple parameters to organize your project. When it's ready, click OK. To organize Project Browser, go to View tab. Open User Interface, then select Browser Organization from the dropdown. Add New Organization Scheme and give it a name. Here you can select rules for grouping your views under different folders or disciplines. Customize the hierarchy by selecting needed parameters. Select the created scheme, click Apply, and OK. Expand views in the project browser, then select views to organize by added project parameters. We use text parameters in this example to set a view category and username for each view. Default views will be under General folder. Then when creating new views, you can set category and username for each. Loading families specific to your project is essential. Families are the building blocks of the Revit model and include elements such as doors, windows, and fixtures. You can load families by going to the Insert tab and selecting Load Family. Browse family location, then click Open. It can take some time for families to upload. To save a template, go to File, Save As, Template. Choose the directory, name the template, then click Save. It's important to note that when you create a project template, only the elements and settings that are present in the current project will be saved as part of the template. So be sure to customize your project to include all the elements and settings you want to use in your future projects before saving it as a template. Once you save the project as a template, you can use it as the basis for new projects by selecting New Project from the Revit home screen and choosing your custom template from the Project Template section. Adding grids is also essential, as they provide a reference for placement of elements in the model. Go to the Architecture tab and click Grid to create and customize your grids. You can skip this step if you want to copy grids from loaded links. Next, add levels to your project to define the height of each floor. Open Elevation View. You can copy already existing levels or creating new with Level tool from the Architecture tab. To specify particular coordinates for your project, go to Manage tab, Project Location, and from Coordinates drop-down select Specify Coordinates. Now you can specify coordinates on grid intersection or other points according to BIM execution plan or other needed coordinates. That is important for links and objects' accurate placement and export parameters. Additionally, load any needed links to the project. Go to Manage tab, Manage Links. Links can include Revit models, IFC, CAD files, or other types of files that are referenced in the project. Press Add to load new link. Browse the location, select appropriate units, coordinates, and link placement. Then click Open. When link appeared in Link Manager, press OK. Finally, create a central model for collaboration purposes. Go to Collaborate tab and press Collaborate button. Before creating Central, save your file locally. Browse the location and click Save. In the Appeared dialog box, you can choose where you want to collaborate and press OK. Press Save button from Revit task ribbon and allow Revit to create Central. That's it. Once someone synchronizes, all changes are applied. By following these steps, you can set up a project in Revit that is tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.